So I'm going to get down into push-up position, and I'm going to count to 4 on my way down. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get to the bottom of my rep, I'm going to come up fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, come up fast. Now I'm doing my push-ups here on my toes. You can do them on your knees, and I showed you in other videos how you can do push-ups against a wall or by using a chair. So whatever you need to do, concentrate on going down slow and coming up fast. Now if you're someone that can do more than 20 push-ups, you might need to grab that backpack, put some weight in it, so you can get into that 8 to 12 rep range.